In this session, I'll discuss many important issues and aspects about the function. There are three types of functions: standard library functions like printf, special function main, and user-defined functions like myfunction. The library functions are not required to be written by the programmer, but the user-defined functions has to be developed by the programmer at the time of writing C programs. Remember that afterward, user-defined functions can become a part of C program library using tlib.exe utility provided by Turbo C package. Now, second aspect, we know that without the function main we cannot write any program in C language. It is possible to write entire program, say about 10,000 lines, utilizing only function main, like this one. Here I have written entire program using only the function main. But this approach will create number of problems. The program may become very large. The logic will become more complex. The debugging or error tracking will become very difficult. The testing of program will be a tedious job. The maintenance will be a headache. If the program is divided into parts according to the task or functional requirement, then we can avoid all the problems. We know that in the bank, the tasks like loan facility, cash counter management, accountancy are handled by separate persons. In programming too, we can divide the program into subprograms according to the specialized task. These subprograms are known as functions. In other languages, these subprograms are known as procedures and subroutines. Remember that using functions you can write modular programming. The approach is known as modular approach. You see, this is a modular approach. I have written one task over here and I am calling the function again and again to perform that task. Okay. Now, second aspect is we can increase the readability of the program. You see, if there are 10,000 lines over here, then it's very difficult to read. But if you write the program like this using functions, then certainly we can increase the readability of the program. And last and very important point is, if you write the program using functions, then reusability of the code is possible. Clear? Now I'll highlight one more point. So see, previously we have discussed these programs. Here the transfer of control as shown by the lines and the return value from the function as shown by this line. Is it clear? Now I think your ideas about the function are clear. At least you know what is the function, what is the meaning of the function. Okay, we'll discuss in detail all other aspects in next session. Thank you.